Hello, sir. Great afternoon. I mean, good morning. Well, by the way, sir, actually, I got a product in here, and I'm just hoping that you're gonna like this. So I'm gonna sell this into here. Well, sir, what do you want to buy? If I'm just like one piece of my product, just wanted to add from allowance. Actually, I got here the what they called ice candy, just only for 5 pesos each. What do you want to buy, sir? If I'm just like one piece of it.
Can you tell us more about the flavors of your ice candy?
I'm actually right here. I got some mango and cheese. Only one flavor that I got right now.
How much does each cost?
5 pesos each.
5 pesos each.
Yeah.
How are they made?
Pardon?
How are they made? Like, are they made from real water or
made
what?
by boiled water, mango, and made by milk. Actually, it's some font like this. Right here. This one.
That's for 5 pesos, right?
Yeah.
O sige, Bisaya na ta. So, unsa man jud na baligya ni mo dira?
Ay, hindi bitaw, sir. Bitaw, sir.
Lirit.
Tagsin ko na, sir.